Hello everyone and welcome to Network Labs. Today in this video, I will show how to configure VLAN and bridge in Mikrotik routers that is useful in a production environment. In the diagram, VLAN is used for access and trunk mode configuration on the left side of Mikrotik router 1. Bridge configuration will be used on the right side facing Mikrotik router 2 in trunk mode over LACP interface. Trunk mode facing switch 2 in Mikrotik router 1, while access mode facing PC2 in Mikrotik router 2. For our task, ensure ping from PC1 to switch 1 using VLAN configuration in Mikrotik router 1. Ensure ping from PC2 to switch 2 using bridge configuration in Mikrotik 1 facing Mikrotik 2. Refer to the network details on the screen. The network address is 10.10.72.0/24. The value for VLAN configuration is 100 while 101 for bridge. To achieve our task, follow the steps below. All the IP addresses are pre-configured to save time. Initially, PC1 can't ping switch 1. The same status with PC2 to switch 2, and vice versa. Let us start in Mikrotik 1 and configure VLAN. Connect to the router using Winbox. Initially, these are the interfaces with descriptions in Mikrotik 1. First, create bridge in Mikrotik 1 for VLAN 100. Go to Bridge, then click the plus sign. In General tab, input any desired name. Click the VLAN tab, then enable VLAN filtering. Click Apply, then OK. Create bridge port. Bind the bridge to each interface facing switch 1 and PC1 using PV-ID 100. Go to Bridge, then Ports. Click the plus sign. In General tab, select the interface facing switch 1, then bind to the bridge. Go to VLAN tab, then input PV-ID 100. Click Apply, then OK. Create another bridge port facing PC1. Next, create interface bridge VLAN. Set the interface facing switch 1 to tagged, while untagged facing PC1. Go to Bridge, then click the VLANs tab. Click the plus sign. Select the bridge, then input the VLAN ID, which is 100. Select port Ethernet 3 facing switch 1 as tagged, then Ethernet 4 for untagged facing PC1. Click Apply, then OK. That's all for VLAN configuration. Let us check PC1 and switch 1 to conduct ping test. Both PC1 and switch 1 can now ping each other. Let us proceed in bridge configuration. First, create bridge on both routers for bridge 101. Open the two routers in Winbox. Here, just create a bridge and do not enable VLAN filtering. Next, create bonding or LACP interface on both routers. Go to Interfaces, then drop down and choose Bonding. Set the name, then edit the MTU. In production environment, please input the required MTU. Click Apply, then OK. Repeat the configuration in Mikrotik 2. Create new interface VLAN using the LACP interface on both routers. Under Interface List, go to VLAN tab. Click the plus sign. Set the desired name. Input the VLAN ID, which is 101. Select the interface, which is the LACP interface. Then edit the MTU to match with the interface VLANs MTU. Click Apply, then OK. Repeat the configuration in Mikrotik 2. Create bridge port. Bind the interface VLAN to bridge 101 in Mikrotik 1. Go to Bridge, then click Ports and click the plus sign. For the interface, select the interface VLAN created, then use the bridge for 101. In Interfaces, we can see that the interface VLAN is now in running and slave of bridge. This is an indication that the link is working for trunk mode. Repeat the configuration in Mikrotik 2. In Mikrotik 2, bind the bridge to the interface facing PC2. No need to create interface VLAN since the port is in access mode. Go to Bridge, then click Ports and click the plus sign. For the interface, choose the physical port facing PC2. Then choose Bridge 101. RS mode also appeared on the port facing PC2. Create another interface VLAN in Mikrotik 1 facing switch 2. Go to Interfaces, then choose VLAN. Set the name, then input the VLAN ID. Select the interface facing switch 2. Without creating a bridge port, the port status is running only. Always check the port status when configuring access and trunk mode. It should be an RS when using bridge. Then, create bridge port. Bind the interface VLAN to bridge 101 in Mikrotik 1. For the interface, select the created interface VLAN. Then use bridge 101. The interface VLAN status is now in RS mode. That's all for the bridge configuration. Let us go to PC2 and switch 2 to conduct ping test. Both PC2 and switch 2 can now ping each other. With this, we are done with our task in configuring VLAN and bridge in Mikrotik router. I hope that this is informative to you and thank you for watching.